Hi friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen with a dashing recipe that is beef tongue, garlic pepper stir fry. So let's check onto the recipe right away. Well friends, here I have 2 pounds beef tongue, and after washing very well, soaked in cold water, and it's been 15 minutes now. And so now let's get on to the recipe. Check it out. We'll marinate tongue with 1 tablespoon salt, alright, so now I will let this marinate for half an hour. Well, in 30 minutes, now the tongue is ready to cook. Well, I'm cooking tongue on medium heat for 7 whistles. Alright, so in 7 whistles, now the tongue is ready to clean and cut. To clean the tongue, you have to just pull the skin like this. It comes easily. Done with the cleaning, now we'll start with the cutting. So it's fully cooked. Well, the tongue is cleaned and cut. So now let's get on to the recipe. Please note down the ingredients for this recipe. For this recipe, I need 1 big green chili and 4 garlic cloves. Heat a white pan and add 1 teaspoon salted butter, and then add the ingredients, that is chili and garlic, and fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Right, in 2 minutes I'm gonna add the black pepper for 30 seconds. Now at this point I will add the tongue in the pan and fry on medium heat. Alright, in 2 minutes I'm gonna add the vinegar. Give this a good mix. After mixing well, I will cover and cook, simmer for 2 minutes. Okay, garnish with half cup cilantro. Lovely recipe, very easy and mouth-watering. Now switch off the heat and serve hot. Alright, so dashing beef tongue stir fry recipe is ready, and it looks really yummy and delicious. Really mouth-watering. Now, if you have liked this video, please click on the red button below and please like and share. Thanks for watching.